Hello, Namaskar, good evening, Vanakkam, Kem Cho. I hope you all are doing good. First of all, thank you for joining us and thank you for all the love which you are giving to us. This is episode 14 SSB OLQ, a new norm for all careers too. This episode is the continuation of SSB OLQ part 3. In this episode, we are going to discuss about 3 OLQs of Factor 4, which are actually called the pillars of other OLQs in which the rest of the 12 OLQ stands. Before we start, there is one important announcement. हमारे जो viewers हमारे साथ एयरमीट के थ्रू connected हैं, they can ask the questions on the question tab, and those who are using desktop, they can use the raise hand option on the top right corner to come live and ask questions directly to our speakers. Apart from this, जिन्होंने previous webinars miss कर दिए हैं, don't worry. We have the recordings of our previous webinars in our YouTube channel, जिसका डिटेल्स मैं आपको इस वेबिनार के एंड में दूंगी. और हमारे व्यूअर्स को मैं पार्टिसिपेशन फॉर्म और हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स की डिटेल भी वेबिनार के एंड में बताऊंगी. Now moving ahead, I am Sonia Singh Chauhan. I am a BSc graduate. Currently, I am pursuing LLB 3-year course. I am also a defense aspirant who is aspiring to be an army officer. I am associated with Cadet Expa program since April 2020. To discuss on the topics today, I have with me our two amazing speakers, Abhirami S. and Lieutenant Colonel Mushir Ahmed Hadri. Abhirami is a social worker by profession and passion. She works in an NGO called Durga India, which works in the space to deter sexual harassment. Apart from this, Abhirami is also a adventure seeker by nature. She is indulged in activities like scuba diving and motorcycle riding. We have with us Army veteran Lieutenant Colonel Mushir Ahmed Hadri. He is also an ex-NCC cadet just like us. He represented India at Youth Exchange Program at Canada. After completing his graduation, he joined OTA, and when he got commissioned, he first served in infantry, but then his passion of flying made him to switch from infantry to Army Aviation Corps, in which he was a flying instructor with 4,200 hours of flying experience. So, Colonel Mushir, आज के कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड में जहाँ पे हर काम को करने के लिए वी नीड सम एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स, डू यू थिंक डिटर्मिनेशन इज अ मस्ट हैव क्वालिटी?
बिल्कुल सोनिया, determination, as far as I am concerned, determination is the key to success in every field. Determination is that one quality which enables us to persist and overcome all the obstacles, all the difficulties, and be able to reach our goal. So I think determination is the most important aspect one must keep in mind to be able to succeed. But I must tell you that determination emanates from desire, चाहत. किसी चीज को आप चाहते हो तभी आप उसको हासिल करने की कोशिश करते हो. Like in one famous movie, शाहरुख खान had said, कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज की को शिद्दत से चाहते हो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. So it's something like that. No? Unless you decide, okay, I want this, you desire that I need this, you will not be able to achieve it. So desire is the first step for determination. मैं अपना एक पर्सनल एग्जांपल आपको बता सकता हूँ. जब मैं स्कूल में था, 11th-12th में था, तो I got selected through NSS to represent Tamil Nadu at the Republic Day camp as part of the marching contingent. There were only 4 students from the school level who got selected, and I was one of them. And just before we were leaving, रात को 10:30 बजे की ट्रेन थी चेन्नई से निकलने के लिए, और अराउंड 5:30 बजे हम लोगों को मैसेज आया कि द स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स विल नॉट बी टेकिंग, ओनली द कॉलेज वाले जो बच्चे जो सिलेक्टेड है वही जाएंगे, स्कूल वाले बच्चों को जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So that was a big setback, I was heartbroken. Imagine small kid, 11th, 12th में था, and just before boarding a train, you're told thank you, you're not required anymore. So that was a big setback. And when I got back home, I was heartbroken. And my mom just motivated me and said, if God closes one door, He opens 100 doors more. Don't worry, you can go to the college next year and try the same thing. you'll be able to go to RD and do your thing. So that's when I decided कि जब मैं कॉलेज में जाऊंगा चाहे पढ़ाई करूँ ना करूँ RD तो पक्का करूँगा. So that's how it started, and I went and joined the college. A lot of extracurricular activities I took part in, and NCC was one of them. जब एनसीसी में मैंने ज्वाइन किया तो मुझे पता लगा कि एनसीसी का क्या प्रोसीजर है आरडी के सिलेक्शन के लिए. उस टाइम पे हम लोगों को ड्रिल में अच्छा होना पड़ता था और क्रॉस कंट्री में अच्छा होना पड़ता था. क्रॉस कंट्री यूज्ड टू बी 6 किलोमीटर क्रॉस कंट्री फॉर द बॉयज. एंड ऑनेस्टली इससे पहले मैंने कभी 100 मीटर की दौड़ नहीं लगाई है ना. बट ये सिलेक्शन करना था, अपना सिलेक्शन करवाना था. तो आई स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग रनिंग. मैंने करना शुरू किया. रोज सुबह अपने दोस्तों के साथ दौड़ लगाने के लिए जाता था. तो इन द एंड जब तक हमारा सिलेक्शन कैंप्स वगैरह हुए और आरडी के लिए सिलेक्शन के लिए हम नॉमिनेट हो रहे थे, तो आई वाज रनिंग सो वेल दैट आई वाज इन द टॉप 5 रनर्स ऑफ तमिलनाडु. And eventually, I went as a reserve best cadet for Tamil Nadu. As also, I got selected as a AIM Plus. I got selected to represent India on a youth exchange program. So all this because of that one small trigger कि ये मुझे करना है, ये desire है मेरा. और वो desire को पूरा करने के लिए हमने step by step उसको हासिल किया. So I would say कि make determination your strong point, and it will help you achieve your goals. Abhi, what do you say?
Kanan, absolutely right. Determination, I think, will be the driving force for most of us to achieve what we want to do. In the beginning, you pointed very, very precisely that determination starts from this desire or urge to do something. But I would like to also point out that sometimes our urge or desire to do something might get converted into desperation. And it might not be determination. So desperation is when it's purely driven by desire. You just want it no matter what. But determination is when you know that you want it and you have a plan to achieve it. You have a very ethical, moral plan to achieve it. An example would be, we would have heard many times people around us saying that I badly want that job. I desperately need this job right now. But if we are not being determined, if we do not have a plan, and if we are just like going to be driven by that urge to get a job, we might lose out on the values in the process of getting that job. For example, we might start thinking for shortcuts like, can I bribe somebody? Do I have an influence inside the company who can take me in? Maybe sending a fake job profile, lying in your resume that I have the skills or that certain required specific qualification for the job. So it is always good if we are determined, then we know we want the job. So what should I do to get the job? What is the qualification that I should have? What are the skills that I should develop? So you will have a plan and you will systematically achieve it without losing out on the values. Sonia, what do you say?
Thank you, Abhirami. You pointed out one thing very beautifully that there is a difference between determination and desperation. दोनों ही चीजें बहुत अलग हैं. जब हम determined, unmute. So please unmute yourself.
Sonia, before you go ahead, I just wanted to add one thing because when Abhirami was speaking, it just came to my mind. Determination is an essential leadership trait for today, not just in the military domain. It also is applicable in your day-to-day life. People get motivated and are able to, only follow or get confidence in leaders who have the determination skills. Who are able to achieve their goals because of their determination. People get inspired by you, people follow you, and that's how your team will be able to succeed. So I would say not just in the military domain, but also in the civilian day-to-day life, determination is one aspect which you must develop.
Yeah, right. Sonia? Thank you, Colonel. So as I was saying, determination and desperation are two different things. जब आप determined होते हो, आप एक गोल को अचीव करने के लिए पूरा proper plan बनाते हो. आपके पास डिजायर होता है, यू हैव अ प्रॉपर प्लान, यू वर्क फॉर इट, और आप रिजल्ट चाहे पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव, यू प्रिपेयर रेडी फॉर दैट, है ना. बट जब आप डेस्परेट होते हो, यू ओनली रन बिहाइंड योर डिजायर. आपको सिर्फ अपने डिजायर की पड़ी होती है. यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट व्हाट पाथ टू चूज. कई बार आप अपने मॉरल्स को भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर देते हो डेस्पिरेशन के लिए. सो हमेशा एम डिसाइड करने के बाद आपको ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि you should be determined, not desperate. Actually, हमने हमारे registration form में एक question पूछा था. So the question is, The question is related to stamina. Do you think stamina refers to the physical aspect only? मतलब आपको लगता है कि स्टैमिना केवल शारीरिक पहलू को दर्शाता है? 35% हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं उन्होंने कहा यस, 44.7% हमारे यूजर्स ने कहा नो, रेस्ट ऑफ देम सेड मे बी और others. So Colonel, in your perspective, what stamina is all about?
I would say stamina is actually stamina की जब हम बात करते हैं तो usually we associate with sports, but it is not the case. Stamina is not about just about being physically fit and being able to endure that sports activity or anything. But stamina is more mental than physical. It is your ability to take prolonged physical or mental effort, to be able to sustain it. क्या आप उसको झेल पाते हो, कोई जो एफर्ट है आप उसको संभाल पाते हो, एंड इट इज द रेजिस्टेंस टू फटीग. आप थक रहे हो फिर भी आप कह रहे हो कि नहीं, आई एम ओके, आई कैन डू इट. दैट इज स्टैमिना. सो द रेजिस्टेंस टू फटीग, टू हार्डशिप, टू इलनेस, एंड स्टिल बी एबल टू से कि आई कैन कंटिन्यू, आई कैन गो ऑन. उसको स्टैमिना कहते हैं. सो इन माय ओपिनियन स्टैमिना इज मोर मेंटल देन फिजिकल. You have any opinion on this, Abhi?
Colonel, I think I'm in complete agreement with you here that it is more mental stamina that is required. I'm getting reminded of something that happened in my college days. So I was an NCC cadet, and for most NCC cadets, it is a dream to be in Delhi in the month of January. So similarly, I got selected for PM's Rally Cultural Contingent in 2016, and our camp started somewhere in November, December, and January 2nd week we are there, fully prepared. The cultural contingent is to the point, very, very excited to be in PM's Rally. PM's Rally is on 27th, right? And on 25th of January, while being in Delhi, we get an information that our cultural program for that year is cancelled. And the contingent is prepared. Physically, we are all there with full josh. But for us to accept that situation and still be able to complete the camp, I think our mental strength or our mental stamina played a very, very vital role. And we had to stay there, and we successfully completed the camp. We also went and watched the PM rally happening without our event being there. So mental stamina played a very, very crucial role there. Sonia,
Yeah.
what do you feel?
Yeah, right, Abhi, I completely agree with you. आई कैन कम्प्लीटली रिलेट इट विथ माई कॉलेज डेज. जब मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में ग्रेजुएशन कर रही थी तो माई शेड्यूल वॉज वेरी हैक्टिक. सुबह 7:30 बजे से लेकर दोपहर 3:30 बजे तक मेरा कॉलेज होता था. कॉलेज में जाओ, एंड इन माई यूनिवर्सिटी द थिंग वॉज हर सब्जेक्ट का एक डिपार्टमेंट होता था अलग अलग, एंड दे वर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 400 मीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सुबह सुबह जाओ, फिजिक्स का प्रैक्टिकल फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट में अटेंड करो, देन फिर भागो मैथ्स डिपार्टमेंट के लिए क्योंकि आपको मैथ्स की क्लास अटेंड करनी है. देन मैथ्स डिपार्टमेंट से फिर फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट वापस आना है क्योंकि आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की क्लास अटेंड करनी है. सो दोपहर के 3:30 तक ऐसे ही भाग भाग के पूरा दिन निकल जाता था. और जब मैं ग्रेजुएशन करी थी, मैं साथ ही साथ एनसीसी कैडेट भी थी. आई वॉज ऑल्सो दी सीनियर. तो मुझे परेड्स अटेंड करनी होती थी, कैडेट्स के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करना होता था, इंस्ट्रक्टर्स के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करना होता था. जब मैं घर पहुंचती थी तो आधा घंटा लंच करती थी. देन आई ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सेल्फ डिपेंडेंस. तो जब मैं लंच कर लेती थी तब मेरे ट्यूशन के स्टूडेंट्स आ जाते थे, उनको पढ़ाना होता था. उनको पढ़ाने के बाद सेल्फ स्टडी करना होता था. उसके बाद आप घर पे रह रहे हो, देन यू हैव टू हेल्प योर पेरेंट्स इन हाउस होल्ड वर्क एंड अदर वर्क्स. सो वो करती थी. इस तरह से पूरा दिन निकल जाता था. एंड मुझे कई बार अपने आप से बात करनी पड़ती थी, लाइक सेल्फ टॉक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कि कीप गोइंग लाइक दिस, थिंग्स विल बिकम बेटर. पूरी एनर्जी के साथ अगले दिन भी आपको सेम शेड्यूल फॉलो करना है. तो येस, माई मेंटल स्टैमिना समवेयर इज बूस्टिंग माई फिजिकल स्टैमिना टू.
सोनिया, मुझे एक सवाल पूछना था आपका. इतना बिजी दिनचर्या, इतना बिजी रूटीन देख के, कि आपने बीच में हाफ एन आवर का जो स्लॉट था खाना खाने का, ये क्यों वेस्ट किया? कुछ और कर लेती उसमें.
अरे सर, दैट वाज द लाइफ सेविंग थिंग. मतलब ऐसा लगता था ना उस हाफ एन आवर में कि प्यास से इंसान को बाल्टी भर के पानी मिल गया हो. तो दैट वाज द फेवरेट टाइम मेरे लिए. हमने हमारे रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म में एक और क्वेश्चन पूछा था, एंड इट इज रिलेटेड टू करेज. Courage means the ability that enables a person to face difficulties, danger, pain without fear. मतलब साहस का मतलब है एक ऐसी काबिलियत जो आपको बिना डर के कठिनाइयों, खतरों और दर्द का सामना करने में सक्षम बनाती है। So 83% of our viewers said that it is the ability of spirit as well as mind, while rest of the 14% said that it is the ability of mind, and कुछ लोगों ने कहा it is the ability of spirit. So अभी what's your stand on this? आपको क्या लगता है?
I think courage. I think courage is definitely the ability of both mind and spirit. Maybe I would like to share a personal experience in this regard. About 10 to 15 years back, when I was a kid, I was fat, but that was not the problem. But others around me used to keep teasing me that I'm fat and you can't do this, you can't do that, you are fat, so this is what you should do. And at that point of time, my interest lied in classical dance. I wanted to learn Bharatanatyam. But again, people around me, my same peer group, said, being fat, you cannot dance. How will you go on stage like this? So it's not possible. But I think I took a step. I overcome that fear. I overcome that inhibition, and then I courageously took that first step, and I went and joined my dance classes. But after that, it all went well. I've given enough number of stage performances, and now I've learned various forms of dance as well. So if my mind and spirit weren't together, I don't think I would have been able to take that first step against bullying.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. That was so brave of you that you took stand for yourself and you decided to live your choice cheerfully. आई थिंक अभी बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स हमें अभी देख रहे हैं तो वो कहीं ना कहीं आपसे इंस्पिरेशन ले रहे हैं कि अगर उनकी लाइफ में भी ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो दे कैन टेक देयर ओन स्टैंड और वो अपने चॉइसेस को चेयरफुली जी सकते हैं, लाइफ में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। कर्नल, यू सर्व्ड इन इंडियन आर्मी फॉर 25 years. आई एम श्योर आपके साथ भी ऐसे कई इंसिडेंसेस हुए होंगे करेज से रिलेटेड, तो ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट जो आपके लिए स्टैंड आउट करता है और आप हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहें?
Yes, Sonia. When I was in the army, I was operating in Sikkim. 2011 में ना सिक्किम में एक बहुत बड़ा अर्थक्वेक हुआ था जिसमें काफ़ी लोग घायल हो गए थे और काफ़ी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का तबाही मची थी। रोड्स टूट गए थे, काफ़ी चीज़ें डैमेज हो गई थी। तो एक दिन मुझे एक मिशन मिला जिसमें मैं 2 ब्रिगेडियर्स को लेके फ्लाई कर रहा था। एंड ये जो 2 ब्रिगेडियर्स थे, दे वर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मेंटेनिंग द रोड्स इन सिक्किम। तो उनको देखना था कि कहाँ रोड टूटा है, कौन सा ब्रिज टूट गया है या कौन से शहर में ज़्यादा डैमेज है। तो ये असेसमेंट करने के लिए हम जा रहे थे। तो हम एक जगह पे जब पहुंचे तो हमने देखा कि कुछ लोग नीचे से जोर से हाथ हिला रहे हैं, हमारा अटेंशन अट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो हमने थोड़ा और नज़दीक जाके देखा हेलीकॉप्टर से, तो नीचे पता लगा कि there were 2 people who were very seriously injured and they had to be evacuated. You know what the first thing happened? The brigadiers who were on the aircraft, they said, if you can pick them up and save those lives, we will get down here. And let me tell you, earthquake हुआ था एक दिन पहले या 2 दिन पहले, एंड पूरे रोड्स टूटे हुए थे। पहाड़ी इलाके में वैसे भी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंचना इतना आसान नहीं है, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होता है, एंड इसमें ऊपर से रोड्स भी नहीं थे। तो एंड दे केम अप विद मॉरल करेज टू से कि टू डू द राइट थिंग। उन्होंने बोला कि अगर ये बच सकते हैं तो हम उतर जाएंगे। एंड कैन यू इमेजिन, we went ahead and did that rescue mission without having to refer back to people and ask questions कि क्या हम कर सकते हैं, क्या ये सही डिसीजन होगा या नहीं होगा, because टाइम नहीं था। अगर हम उस कैजुअलिटी को हम वहां से नहीं उठाते तो then maybe those lives would not have been saved. So जब हमने उनको ब्रिगेडियर्स को हमने उतार दिया और फिर हम कैजुअलिटी को लेके चले गए, so the brigadiers, obviously we had to go back and pick them up. They walked about 5-6 kilometers on their own to another place, which was a little easier for us to land and pick up. But I just wanted to bring out, that courage is not just one aspect alone, where these brigadiers have shown moral courage. Well, I would say Abhirami has shown social courage in, being able to break that barrier and say, hey, you can bully me, but it doesn't matter, I want to do my thing because I feel it is right. And she was able to do it. Similarly, there's emotional courage, जो हम दिल से सोचते हैं और कहते हैं कि हाँ ये हमको करना है तो करना है, है ना? So these are the things which add to your character, build your character. Sonia?
या राइट कर्नल, जैसा आपने बोला डिफरेंट टाइप्स के करेज भी आपने बताए. सो आई वुड लाइक टू से कि करेज इज नॉट ओनली कि आप बॉर्डर पे खड़े होके एनिमीज से लड़ रहे हो. यू एक्सपीरियंस करेज इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ. लाइक मैं अपना खुद का एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. अर्लियर आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. मुझे काफी डर लगता था लोगों के सामने अपने व्यूज प्रेजेंट करने में. बट देन आई टुक द डिसीजन, नहीं, आई हैव टू ओवरकम दिस. तो बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा, काफी मोटिवेट हुई, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ माई डिसीजन एंड माई डिटर्मिनेशन आई वॉज एबल टू ओवरकम दैट फियर. इवन अभी भी जब मैं लोगों के सामने बोलती हूँ तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे डर नहीं लगता. आई फील अ बिट नर्वस, हाँ थोड़ा बहुत डर भी होता है, बट नाउ आई एम एबल टू ओवरकम दैट फियर. सो द एबिलिटी टू ओवरकम फियर इज करेज. कहीं ना
Yeah, that's what they
कहीं
say ना, डर के आगे जीत है. So
या
that is
एग्जैक्टली
what it
दैट
is.
ब्लू का टैगलाइन, डर के आगे जीत है. या राइट. तो इवन अगर हम अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में हैं, ठीक है, कई बार हम बातें करते हैं कई टॉपिक्स को लेकर, तो यूजुअली होता है किसी ने कोई सेक्सिएस्ट कमेंट बोल दिया या कुछ गलत व्यू रख दिया, तो वहां पे भी आपको अपनी वॉइस रेज करके बोलना अपने फ्रेंड से कि नहीं, यू आर सेइंग दिस थिंग रॉन्ग, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेज. So this is
Correct.
how we experience courage in our day-to-day life. Now moving ahead, Colonel, I would like to ask you one question कि आपने इतने साल सर्विस किया है, तो काफ़ी सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए होंगे जहाँ पे आपने ये सारे OLQs, फैक्टर 1, फैक्टर 2, फैक्टर 3, फैक्टर 4 के OLQs साथ में एक्सपीरियंस किए हों. तो आई वुड जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू वेदर दीज OLQs आर आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम ईच अदर या फिर दे आर इंटरट्वाइंड.
Sonia, yeah, it's a very pertinent question. I must say, we have seen these three parts earlier, in which part one we discussed the qualities which are from the head, then the heart, then the guts, and now we are discussing the limbs, yeah, the pair, or I would rather put it as the pillars of your character, determination, strength, and stamina. These three characters are the characteristics or the qualities are the pillars of your character on which your entire structure is built. Now, it is not in isolation. Determination eggs on to stamina, stamina eggs on to courage. ये सारी चीजें इंटर रिलेटेड है, और मैं ये नहीं कहूंगा कि सिर्फ ये तीन चीजें इंटर रिलेटेड हैं. इसके अलावा भी जितने भी हमने क्वालिटीज इससे पहले भी बात की थी, ये सारे इंटर रिलेटेड हैं, और ये सब हम डे टू डे यूज करते हैं. हमको पता नहीं होता कि हम कौन सी क्वालिटी को यूज कर रहे हैं, बट आई एम श्योर वी ऑल on a day-to-day basis use them. What do you feel, Abhi?
Colonel, that is absolutely well said. So, in the example that Colonel was saying about the rescue mission, I feel it is not just courage that he showed, but if you just look at it in a deeper way, they have all displayed sense of responsibility, their speed of decision making, and their adaptability as well. So it's not just one or two qualities, but everything is exhibited everywhere. Even in the experience that Sonia was sharing, where she was afraid to talk in the beginning. So all of us are generally afraid to answer a small question in school or college when a teacher is asking, or we are always afraid to ask our doubts to the teacher. It starts from there and sometimes it just gets carried away from school to college to our workplace as well sometimes. But that first step to answer that question, to overcome that fear, it takes courage. But then it's just not stopping there. Then if you start answering, it also shows your self-confidence there. It is your power of expression. And if you're presenting some new ideas in that way, it shows your initiative. And keeping on going like this, it may also turn out to be your ability to influence the group. So I don't think any OLQ can stand in isolation, and all of us have experienced or displayed everything or a couple of things together in one particular situation.
Very
Yeah,
nicely
right.
brought out, Abhirami.
So yes, all these qualities are intertwined, एक दूसरे से कहीं ना कहीं connected, and these are not isolated. Taking my own example, when I went for SSB for the first time, I got conferenced out. So at that time, I didn't lose my confidence. अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखा, and what I did is I tried to find out the reason why I got conferenced out. तो कहीं ना कहीं मैंने चीजें एनालाइज की जब मुझे रीजंस पता लगे तो आई मेड अ प्लान कि मुझे ये चीज़ें कैसे इम्प्रूव करनी है. So this is how I use my effective intelligence to improve myself. I took the help of my friends जो पहले recommend हो चुके हैं. So इस तरह से जब भी आप किसी situation में जाते हो तो you use all these OLQs, एक साथ में ही सारे OLQs use करते हो. And this is how it works. और one more thing is कि जब भी हम OLQ के बारे में बात करते हैं, हम चाहते हैं हमारे अंदर OLQ improve हो, तो instead of focusing on any particular OLQ, what we should do is we should focus on our self improvement. जब हम खुद की ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी को इम्प्रूव करने में ज्यादा ध्यान देंगे तो वी विल बी एबल टू इम्प्रूव ऑल दीज OLQs और वी कैन इजीली यूज दिस क्वालिटीज इन आवर लाइफ. Abhinami, I would like to ask one question from you. Like you are a social worker, तो आप एक एनजीओ में काम कर रहे हो जहाँ सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट के केसेस से आप डील करते हो. सो आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क कि ये OLQs आपको कैसे हेल्प करते हैं आपके सोशल वर्क के काम में.
I think it helps a lot. A lot of these qualities is helping me day to day, I would say. First of all, it is a very, very sensitive area of work, and it definitely takes some courage to even like get into this kind of work and keep doing it every day again and again. More than that, I think when somebody who has faced some sexual harassment or some difficulty, and when they're reaching out to us, for us to listen to them and still make that limit and still continue to help them, I think there is a lot of responsibility on us. So it is not like we can easily get carried away, or we can just make them feel invalid or something like that. But responsibility is at its highest levels, I would say. Sense of responsibility there in that everyday moment.
Okay, yeah, right.
Yes.
So abhi
Sonia, just want to add, let me tell our viewers that after having introspected and done all that she has done, Sonia has got recommended in the next SSB. So that is the achievement of, that is the thing that she has done by introspecting and building up on her qualities. So that is something that we should be proud of, Sonia.
Thank you, Colonel. Now I would like to tell my viewers कि अभी live poll question का time हो गया है. So the question is, do you think absence of fear is courage? इस क्वेश्चन के बाद आपके स्क्रीन पे दो ऑप्शंस आ रहे होंगे, यस एंड नो के. आप अपने आंसर के अकॉर्डिंग कोई भी चूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, द रिजल्ट्स आर वेरी डायनेमिक, चेंज हो रहे हैं. वी कैन वेट फॉर अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स. ओके, सो ओके, इट इज स्टिल चेंजिंग. ओके, सो हमारे जो again it started changing.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so 67% of our viewers are saying that absence of fear is courage, while 33% of them are saying that no. So Colonel, what do you think about this?
डर सबको लगता है. If you say कि मुझे डर नहीं लगता, then you're not speaking the truth. Probably किसी को थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगता है, किसी को थोड़ा कम लगता है, but डर सबको लगता है. And acknowledging that fear and then choosing to act, that is courage. I would say it's a very important aspect to acknowledge it कि हाँ मुझे डर लग रहा है, but I will not be cowed down by it. मैं डर के बैठ नहीं जाऊँगा, मैं एक्ट करूंगा. I will take the necessary steps to overcome that fear. That is courage, and that is what we must develop.
Yeah, right, Colonel. So there is one more announcement. जो हमारे viewers हैं, they can put their question in the question tag. And yes, जो हमारे साथ desktop के through connected है, जो Airmeet desktop के through use कर रहे हैं, they can use the raise hand option to come live and ask questions directly to our speakers. So Colonel Mushir, the first question is for you from Tushar. He is asking, sir, how did you prepare for SSB during your college days? आपने अपने college days में SSB की preparation कैसे की?
Honestly speaking, मैंने कोई तैयारी नहीं की. I just got myself aware about things which are going to happen in the SSB. It is important to be aware कि क्या होने वाला है, क्या tests हैं. बट इस SSB के लिए तैयारी नहीं करनी है कि मैं ये सवाल आएगा तो ये जवाब दूंगा, ऐसे पूछेंगे तो ऐसे जवाब दूंगा, then your real self will not come out, and then it is very difficult, to fool those examiners who are sitting there. They are well trained to see through you. आप एक सवाल, दो सवाल, चार सवाल, 10 सवाल तक आप आर्टिफिशियल एक फैसाड या एक फेस पुटअप कर सकते हैं, but over 3 days you will not be able to fake through the system and get across. So it is only essential that you understand कि क्या क्या होने वाला है, आप aware हो, और उसके अलावा be abreast with the latest current affairs, जनरल नॉलेज अपडेट करें, अपने करंट अफेयर्स अपडेट करें, है ना. एसएसबी अगर आप जा रहे हैं, लेट्स से आपने 2021 दिसंबर में एसएसबी में जाना है, तो यू शुड स्टार्ट रीडिंग नाउ, December 2020, at least 1 year before your current affairs issues should be thorough on your fingertips, because questions can come from anywhere historically also, so that is where I put in my effort to read and be aware about the current affairs and general knowledge.
Thank you, Colonel. Very rightly said. If you are going for SSB, you can't fool the assessors, as they check all the three things: मनसा, वाचा, कर्मा. तो आप कहीं पे भी बेवकूफ बनाने की कोशिश करोगे, you will be easily caught. So it's better to improve yourself and then go. Colonel, there is one more question. Preeti is asking, I am a runner and feel that stamina is required physically, because even if I feel mentally strong, the body does not move.
When I started running, I also used to feel this, but फिजिकल स्टैमिना बिल्ड करने के लिए आपको शायद आपके डाइट पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, या आपके इनटेक पे. यू मस्ट बी एबल टू टेक गुड रेस्ट बिफोर यू एक्चुअली परफॉर्म एनी ऑफ दीज फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज. बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज, इफ योर माइंड से कि मैं थक गई हूँ या थक गया हूँ, तो उसके बाद आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. जब तक आपका माइंड बोल रहा है कि यस आई कैन डू इट, आई हैव टू डू दिस, आई हैव द एनर्जी टू डू इट, योर बॉडी विल फॉलो. But it is not the other way around. So it is very important that you develop your mental stamina along with your physical stamina.
Yeah, right. Thank you, Colonel. हमारे साथ एक व्यूअर हैं जो कि रेज हैंड कर रहे हैं. रत्नम खरे, she wants to ask one question. Ratnam, we are connecting you soon. Okay. So next question is. Okay, so Ratnam is connecting.
Ratnam is live.
Yeah.
So good evening. Hello
Hi,
everyone.
Ratnam.
I wanted to ask that how can you boost your determination?
Okay, so Ratnam is asking, आप अपना डिटर्मिनेशन कैसे बूस्ट कर सकते हो? रत्नम, आप किससे आंसर सुनना चाहती हैं, कर्नल से या फिर अभिरामी से?
आई थिंक दोनों से ही आंसर सुनना सही रहेगा, क्योंकि वो तो एनजीओ सेक्टर में, और सर आप तो ऑलरेडी सर्व कर चुके हो, तो आई थिंक नो वन विल बी better to answer this.
Okay. Ratnam, where are you calling from?
Sir, I'm calling from Lucknow.
Okay. There are a few things that you must do to boost your determination. First, like I told you earlier, is to decide to be determined. And determination comes from desire. कि मुझे कुछ चाहिए, मुझे ये हासिल करना है. So desire for something which is legitimate, which is correct, which is not going to affect somebody else adversely. आप अगर कोई सही चीज को चाहते हैं और उसको अचीव करने की कोशिश में लगते हैं, तो इट इज कम्प्लीटली ऑल राइट. बट किसी और के कंधे पे पैर रख के ऊपर चढ़ना इज नॉट अ वेरी गुड थिंग. सो इफ आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस, and keep your values straight and try to achieve it. So the first and major thing that you must do to boost your determination is to make the decision to be determined. आप अपने मन में डिसाइड करें कि हाँ, मैं डिटर्मिन्ड रहूंगी, और जो आगे जो चैलेंजेस हैं, आई विल फेस देम विद डिटर्मिनेशन. डिस्कवर व्हाई यू वांट दैट थिंग. आप कुछ चाहते हैं तो उसमें कोई रीजन होगा, कि वो रीजन आपने पता करना है कि मुझे ये क्यों चाहिए. So if you know why you want it, you will be determined for it. You really like something, only then you will be able to boost your determination. Yes. Third and most important thing, do not fear. Do not be afraid of failure. डरना मत कि अच्छा, अगर मैंने ये हासिल करने की कोशिश में लगी और मैं फेल हो गई, मुझे जो टारगेट था वो मैं पहुंच नहीं पाई, तो क्या होगा? एट द सेम टाइम you must be able to control your stress levels. Don't get panicked. If you fail, it's all right. Get
Yes.
up, do it again. You know, encourage yourself to stick to your plan. Also important that when you're trying to do things, you must get your adequate rest, adequate sleep, be able to exercise regularly, focus on your nutrition, and in this whole thing, postpone activities which are going to be a distraction in achieving your, the target that you have
Goals.
set for
Yes,
yourself.
sir.
So these are a few things that I would say that will help you achieve your aim and improve your determination. Also remember, if you feel that you're on the verge of burning out, take a break. It's not कि अगर आज मैं लग गया इस काम को करने के लिए तो कंटिन्यूअसली करते ही रहना है till the time I achieve the aim. Take a
Yes,
break,
sir.
think about it, come back stronger, and do it. You know. So these
Yes,
are a
sir.
few things which come to my mind as far as determination, boosting up your determination is concerned. Also very important to keep your negative thoughts away and counter them with positivity. So these are a few things I would say which will help you boost your determination.
So I think, like just as ma'am told earlier, that while you're preparing for SSB, of course, first time कई लोग fail होते हैं, उसके बाद वो आते हैं, like you analyze कि what went wrong. But I think determination failure के बाद ही ज़्यादा important हो जाती है.
Yes, you're right. Abhi, would you like to answer this question?
Yes, I think there is a little bit of network lag. So can you repeat the question, please?
Ma'am, I was saying that as Sonia ma'am told, that after you fail, like not fail, but after you get conference out, or maybe at some stage you get out of SSB, you have the thing, okay, maybe you analyze that what went wrong. But it is only after you fail that you need much more determination, like a boost in your determination to go for the second level. Yeah, so that was the question.
So I think you already kind of like gave the answer that that's when you have to be more conscious and like boost your determination consciously. So I think at that point of time, more focus would help a lot there. So you know clearly that this is what I want. You also were kind of you would have understood why it did not work out. So you already have a plan there. You can already start working on it. I think when you know what is happening, your excitement to do it or your motivation to do it will only keep going higher and higher. So I think it will automatically boost your determination there. More concentration might help there.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ratnam. Are you satisfied with the answer?
Yeah, pretty much. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Ratnam. Nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Ratnam.
Okay. So we have one more question. Samir is asking to Abhi, too much of determination can lead to stubbornness. What is your view?
Okay, determination can lead to stubbornness. There is a possibility when you're saying I'm very determined to do this. I definitely want this. You might start becoming stubborn. There is a possibility, but I think at every step in what we are doing, I think we'll have to put a lot of consciousness there. We have to be conscious of where our thoughts are driving us and where we are leading. If we are conscious, I think we will be able to catch ourselves and say like now I'm becoming a little too stubborn. So when things are no more moving your way, maybe that's when you will have to rethink if you're becoming too stubborn. And also adaptability, like we had discussed before, is an essential OLQ, right? So when you're stubborn, you're no more adaptable. So that can be like your check mark. If you're adaptable, then there is no way you will become stubborn. And we'll have to also be very practical in life, right? So maybe we are moving towards a goal and we face some challenges. Let us be practical. If we are practical and if we are able to make changes and rework on the way we are doing things, I think we will not fall into stubbornness.
Yeah, thank you, Abhi. Very rightly said. जैसे आपने practicality की बात की, I think I would like to add one more point on this. जब भी आप किसी एम पे काम कर रहे होते हो डिटरमाइंड होके, कई बार होता है कि आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिलता, चाहे आप कितने भी एफर्ट्स कर लो, कितना भी प्लान कर लो. सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू मस्ट हैव अ प्लान बी. टॉकिंग अबाउट आर्मी इटसेल्फ, जब भी किसी मिशन पे जाते हैं तो दे ऑलवेज हैव अ प्लान बी. सो इट्स गुड टू बी प्रैक्टिकल, इट इज गुड टू बी डिटरमाइंड, बट इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू हैव अ प्लान बी, सो दैट अगर आपका एक एम अचीव नहीं होता है तो आपके पास दूसरी चीज हो आगे बढ़ने के लिए. Now we have one more question. Bhishma is asking to Mushir, courage always fails me in exams. How should I study, sir? Please guide.
That's a tough question. Courage always fails you in exam, and how you should study. Okay. The first and foremost thing is you should be thorough in what you're studying. Only then you'll be able to, keep that courage when you get into the exam hall. So, systematic study right from the beginning of the academic year or when you get into your curriculum is very important. It's not कि last minute preparation will see you through in any exam. It has to be systematic right from the beginning of the year. हर दिन I'm not a very bright student, but something that I used to follow was कि जो आपको क्लास में टीचर ने पढ़ाया उस दिन शाम को आपने आके एक बार घर में रिवाइज कर लिया, और अगले दिन के जो आपको पता है कि अगले दिन क्या पढ़ाने वाले हैं, टाइम टेबल तो दिया होता है, तो अगले दिन में जो टीचर पढ़ाने वाले हैं उसको एक बार रीड कर लो बिफोर यू गो टू द क्लास, so you know कि what the teacher is going to teach you and you'll be able to grasp it better. So 3 बार रिविजन हो गया. 3 times they say is good enough to remember anything for life. So this is one of the ways that you can improve your academic performance, especially during exams.
Yeah, right.
I would like to add on to Colonel in this point. So I think courage should be shown while writing the exam, like while putting down your points on paper. You should have the courage and stamina, not while preparing. Preparing, if I say like, okay, I can handle this, and if you're making that an excuse, or if you're just if that is leading you to prepare less, and if you're saying like, I can manage this, I'm bold enough to manage this in preparation, then that might become a practical problem.
Yeah, right. Or last time we prepare karna is not going to help you out to score good. You have to prepare throughout the year. Then only you can do better in your studies. Next question is for Abhi. Krish is asking, ma'am, you talked about bullying. How will courage help him? क्योंकि bully करने वालों से डर लगता है. आपने कैसे manage किया?
Okay, that is very, very true. Of course, when somebody is teasing us and bullying us, we will get scared. It is very, very natural to get scared. But courage is also about overcoming your fear, right? You have to take that bold step, overcome your fear, and just like put a foot front. Just the first foot is required. So the other person is making us feel scared because they think they have more power over us. I think that is why we are also like getting scared, because we think we are less powerful in some way, subconsciously, not consciously. So we are thinking we have less power. So just I would say just like break it for a second. You're not going to lose anything. So maybe if somebody is teasing us, it just takes one word for you to like raise up and say like, it is okay, or like, stop this. No, I don't want this. Or even if you say like this, it is okay, I can still do it. So if that confidence is getting displayed there, then for a second, they will also tend to understand that you also are powerful. It's not like you are less powerful that they can come and bully you. So courage will help you take that first step.
Yeah, thank you, Abhi. Hargunveer is asking, only discipline is important. Colonel, would you like to answer?
No, discipline is not the only important thing. Like we discussed, there were 15 odd qualities which make up a good human being, whether as a military leader or otherwise. But yes, discipline is a very important aspect, especially in the military. And self-discipline is even more important. जब लोग देख रहे होते हैं, जब पुलिस देख रही होती है, तब तो ट्रैफिक सिग्नल फॉलो करना सब करते हैं. जब कोई नहीं देख रहा है तब भी अगर आप ट्रैफिक सिग्नल फॉलो करते हो, रेड लाइट पे रुकते हो, या जब क्रॉसिंग अलाउड है तब क्रॉस करते हो. दोज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आर इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड आई थिंक largely as a society we are lacking in this in our country, and you as youngsters must not only make yourselves the examples and start following this and become role models for others, but also encourage others to follow.
Yeah, right. Thank you. Sarika is asking question मुशीर सर से. सर डर के आगे जीत है, अच्छा है, but in front of my boss I am like बिल्ली. How should I overcome my fear? Thank you for the question, Sarika.
Thank you, Sarika. That's a nice question. And boss के आगे सबको तो डर लगता ही है, जैसे मैंने बोला. But yes, how you can overcome your fears in front of your boss? Be thoroughly professional with your work. If you're able to complete your task without any mistakes, don't give him or her a chance to point out something कि आप इसमें lacking हो, है ना? Show that dedication towards your work, complete professionalism. Of course, मेहनत ज़्यादा लगेगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि to get to that level it will happen like that. It is not something which will happen in a jiffy. But then when you keep delivering consistently good outputs, then that person who is getting the work done from you will start respecting you. And when that respect comes from that person, your fear will go on its own.
Yeah, right. Thank you, Colonel. Next question is, Rishik is asking to Abhi, I speak less. Many things to say but can't express in front of audience. How can I lose my fear of speaking? Sir, even you can tell this. Abhi is saying.
Okay, I'll start. I think it is a very, very practical question. And all of us at some point of life, I think, would have had the stage where we are stuck, we're not able to express. I think first thing is knowing your subject well, or knowing the content very well will automatically boost your self-confidence. Because if you are talking about a particular topic, if I know a lot of things, if I have enough knowledge, I think then I will have that confidence that I can talk anything and for however long I want. So that will automatically boost your self-confidence, and you might just start talking without fear. Second thing is practice. What else can we do? How much ever we learn from the books or the internet, and we are ready with the content in our head, unless and until we talk and talk and talk, I think we will not be able to get there very easily. So easy thing is to practice. Maybe practice with a small group of friends, then like your same circle, your peer group, who can also motivate you and help you with it. Maybe that will help. Talking in front of a mirror will also help. So I would say know the content very well and practice.
Thank you, Abhi. There's one more question, Urvasha to Mushir sir. How was your experience for all 5 stages, and what was your strategy for screening and your team's group task and how did you manage it?
I'm sorry, the question, who asked the question? Urvashi, right?
Urvisha.
Urvacha, okay. Urvacha, I'm sorry. This was something which happened over 25 years ago. The SSB techniques have changed now. There have been a lot of improvements. But yes, I can simply tell you that in our times, there was no screening out on the first day, and that thing has changed. But like I brought out earlier, I went with a very open mind, and the day I arrived at the SSB center, I started making friends, because that was my making friends was something which came naturally to me. So I would call it a strategy, but it helped me in dealing with the tasks on the SSB, because when you got into the SSB center in the accommodation, you reached there a day prior. So that day, all of us decided, okay, let's sit and talk, and we did a few things together, settled down, helped each other. So we built a bond, and at that point, I did not know who's going to be in my team, who's not going to be in my team in that group task or whatever. But it turned out that the very same people whom we had been with the previous day were in your team, and they were more able to accept my thoughts, and eventually it helped me and the others also in achieving their task of overcoming that service selection board screening.
Thank you, Colonel. There is one viewer who wants to come live and ask question. Hargunveer Singh, we are connecting you live. Hargunveer. Okay. Till then, we can go for the next question. Okay, Scary Boy is asking. I have joined NCC in this year. I'm in ninth class, and because of COVID-19, we are at home. Please tell how we can train ourselves at home. What are the things that we can do at home to train ourselves with determination and develop our stamina? So, Scary Boy, thank you for the question. As you are in class 9th and you are an NCC cadet also, अपने आप को डिटर्मिनेशन और स्टैमिना के लिए ट्रेन करना इज वेरी इजी. फॉर डिटर्मिनेशन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, अभी आप क्लास 9th में हो, घर पे पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही हैं, तो घर पे आप रिवीजन कर सकते हो. पुट आउट अ चैप्टर या फिर एक स्टडी प्लान बनाओ कि मुझे इस टाइम पे ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट करना है, ये सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट करना है, और अपने आप को एक टाइम लिमिट दो. इफ यू आर एबल टू कंप्लीट दैट गोल इन दैट टाइम लिमिट, देन योर कॉन्फिडेंस विल बूस्ट. कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट होगा तो आपको लगेगा कि हाँ, आप धीरे धीरे डिटरमाइन हो रहे हो. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस डिटर्मिनेशन फ्रॉम योर स्टडीज इटसेल्फ. जब आप एक चीज में डिटरमाइंड हो जाओगे, तो जब आप और आगे जाओगे, आगे बढ़ोगे और ऑप्शंस आएंगे आपके पास, तो आप वहां पे भी डिटरमाइंड हो ही जाओगे, क्योंकि आपकी वो हैबिट बन चुकी होगी. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज फॉर स्टैमिना. तो स्टैमिना के लिए आई वुड सजेस्ट घर पे एक्सरसाइज करो, नॉर्मल एक्सरसाइज करो, योगा करो. यू कैन ऑल्सो डू स्किपिंग. इवन लॉकडाउन के टाइम से मैं भी घर पे स्किपिंग करती हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत एक्सरसाइज कर लेती हूँ, तो इट हेल्प्स मी टू बूस्ट माई स्टैमिना. इवन इट हेल्प मी इन माई SSB. वहाँ पे भी GTO टास्क में यू हैव टू बी वेरी एक्टिव नो इन ग्राउंड टास्क. सो ऑल दिस एक्सरसाइज एंड प्रैक्टिस हेल्प मी अ लॉट. थैंक यू फॉर द क्वेश्चन. डिटर्मिनेशन और डेस्पिरेशन पे एक एग्जाम्पल मैं देना चाहूँगी. मुझे अभी एक्चुअली में अभी याद आया. आई एम अ डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट. आई थिंक अभी इज ऑल्सो अ डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट. सर भी आर्मी ज्वाइन कर ही चुके हैं. तो हम सब ऐसे लोगों से मिले हैं ना, जो बोलते हैं कि ज्वाइन करना है तो सिर्फ आर्मी ज्वाइन करना है और कुछ ज्वाइन नहीं करना. सो एट दिस पॉइंट जब आपके दिमाग में ये चीज आ जाती है ना, करना है तो यही करना है और कुछ नहीं करना, दिस इज द पॉइंट व्हेन डेस्पिरेशन कम्स इनटू प्ले. डिटर्मिनेशन अलग हट जाती है. तो while deciding your aim, be very practical and logical. Obviously make a plan, obviously try to achieve your goal. हो सकता है आपको फेलियर फेस करना पड़े, हो सकता है आप अपने एम के बहुत पास आकर भी आपको स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करना पड़े. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ गेटिंग डेस्परेट, बी प्रैक्टिकल. मैं अपना एग्जाम्पल ही देती हूँ. येस, आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू ज्वाइन द इंडियन आर्मी. चाइल्डहुड से इट इज़ माई ड्रीम कि इंडियन आर्मी ज्वाइन करना है. बट जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ी, SSBs दी, लोगों से मिली, आई गेट टू नो कि इट इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर टू हैव अ प्लान बी. सो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन माई प्लान बी ऑल्सो. कर्नल, what would you like to say on this?
You're absolutely right. It's always good to have alternate options available and work towards them as well. Otherwise, you know, the world is very competitive today, and one cannot just go with a single track mind. You should be able to adapt, change, and move on if you realize that something is not meant for you.
Okay.
I would also like to mention one point. So it came to my mind from the previous person's question. How can we practice determination while we are being at home or like that? So I would say if all of us have to recollect every single day we are determined to do something, and it's very simple for us to recollect how we are expressing it. Every day we go to sleep and we get up in the morning, right? We get up for a reason. We get up to say like, I want to do this particular task in this particular day, or I just have to go out, or maybe just like I have to have breakfast at 8 o'clock. That could also be the reason you're getting up, but you're determined to just complete that task, that particular task, so you get up from the bed. Otherwise, if it is left, we might just keep sleeping, right? So determination is not just for one particular task, or it is not, there is no fixed rule that it should be expressed in this particular way only. Not at all like that. I think it's a very broad spectrum. If you know what you want to do, then I think definitely you will be automatically pushed to do that, and that is determination.
That's
Yeah,
a very
right.
good example.
थैंक यू अभिरामी. सुबह सुबह उठने के लिए डिटर्मिनेशन की बहुत जरूरत होती है, स्पेशली विंटर्स में जब आपको
Yeah,
सुबह उठना
yeah,
होता
I
है
was
तो
just going
आपको
to say that.
डबल डिटर्मिनेशन होनी चाहिए आपको सुबह उठने के लिए.
Right.
ओके. करेज से किसी हमारे एक व्यूअर ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि स्टडी में करेज उनके काम नहीं आता, ही गेट फेल्ड. तो करेज पे एक पॉइंट मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि करेज, कई बार ऐसी चीजें होती हैं, ऐसे इंसिडेंट होते हैं जिससे आपको बहुत डर लगता है, तो आपको करेज कब दिखाना चाहिए? तो एट दैट मोमेंट व्हेन यू फील फियर, दैट इज द ओनली मोमेंट व्हेन यू हैव टू लाइक बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ एंड टेक द फर्स्ट स्टेप. जब डर लग रहा है उसी वक्त आपको डिसीजन लेके आगे बढ़ना है, तभी आप उस फियर को ओवरकम कर पाओगे. और जैसा सर ने बोला था, डर के आगे जीत है. सो यस, इट इज वेरी ट्रू. आई थिंक हमारे जितने भी SSB OLQs के जितने भी ये सारे 4 पार्ट्स में हमें ये हमने कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशंस पता करी, ये कंक्लूजन मिला कि ऑल दीज OLQs आर intertwined, they are not isolated from each other, और these OLQs are not only limited to the military front. हम हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में भी यूज कर सकते हैं और एक्चुअली करते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, अगर हमें ये OLQs इम्प्रूव करने हैं, जैसा मैंने पहले भी बोला था, एक पर्टिकुलर OLQ पे ध्यान ना देकर सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट पे ध्यान दो और जस्ट क्रिएट अ पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट. सिर्फ खुद की इम्प्रूवमेंट पे ही क्यों, आपके आसपास भी आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनसे भी बात करो एंड हेल्प देम टू इम्प्रूव. नाउ मूविंग टू, एज आई प्रॉमिस्ड अर्लियर, मैंने आपसे प्रॉमिस किया था कि आई विल शेयर द डिटेल्स अबाउट आवर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स एज वेल एज आपके पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट के बारे में. ओके ओके. सो हमारे व्यूअर्स जो हमारे साथ कनेक्टेड हैं अभी, दे कैन गेट देयर participation certificate once they will fill the feedback form in our Expa Cadet app, which you can easily download from Play Store. और जिन्होंने हमारे प्रीवियस वेबिनार्स नहीं देखे हैं, they can watch the recording of our previous webinars in our YouTube channel.
Sonia, can you just click on the slideshow?
Yeah, sure, sir.
First slide, first slide.
So these are the details of our सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स जहां पे आप हमारे साथ कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. ओके व्यूअर्स, हमारा नेक्स्ट वेबिनार है 13 दिसंबर को. द टॉपिक ऑफ द वेबिनार इज 21st सेंचुरी स्किल्स इन टाइम्स ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, हमारे साथ कनेक्टेड रहिए इस नए वेबिनार से जुड़ने के लिए, इस नए वेबिनार के टॉपिक को समझने के लिए. एज वी ऑल नो कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस अभी के टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया है, स्पेशली लॉकडाउन में भी हम कैसे वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में आ गए हैं रियल वर्ल्ड से. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर दिस वंडरफुल सेशन अभिरामी एंड लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल मुशीर अहमद हैदरी. थैंक यू फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स जो हमारे साथ कनेक्ट थे. थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वेबिनार. थैंक यू.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you all.
बाय. थैंक यू.